We're gonna try and clean a little bit the crap on the Air King here. Not how much. I think some of this is pitting and rust. I don't really know how clean it's gonna come, but there's some hope for the bottom. It's really just dirty in there. So we'll see. All right, so I got a little bit of dirt off of the outside of the case. We still got rust. We still got surface crazing, whatever. As clean as that's gonna get. The switch came out okay. It's still a little like tarnished or something, and I didn't try to take the knob off. I don't want to break it, but it's a little cleaner. So now we're going to start to get the dust and dirt out of the inside of the case, off the blades, blow out the motor a little bit. That's as far as we're going to go. I don't really want to take the blades off today and go any further than that. It will need to be done all the way up, but for now we're not going to. It's got oil ports here and back there, so we can oil it a little bit before we put it away, and somebody will run it as well. Looks pretty cool without the grills on. The grills clean, just dusted them off. They're not painted, so they are what they are, and there you go. Okay, we've already made some noticeable progress. So hopefully what I'm looking for is the inspected by stamp that might say the date the fan was made. It's not on the outside, it's not underneath. I'm hoping to find it underneath the dirt down there. We'll see. There you go. More progress, no new information. All right, well, I got the blades cleaned down a little bit, as you can see. It got pretty clean in the bottom there. The inside of the case the paint's pretty nice. It's the outside that has the cosmetic. It's a little rough. We have a little, a little oil. This could come off a little scrubbing, but I don't want to bend the blades. So I was really just trying to get any stuff that comes off easy. So there you go. Again, I blew out the motor with the air can. Needs a little more cleaning, but that's plenty for today. I'm going to put the grills back on and call it a day. Your Bern's Air King, as found. One of the other YouTube presenters was saying that this is on the stand backwards. I agree. However, I like it like this because you can just back it up to where you're going and you don't got to get out from behind it. You don't got to do whatever. So I kind of like it this way, and it's certainly sturdy enough. I don't think it would move on you. So that's the way it is. This is maybe a little uneven. It's not resting on the cord. Yeah, we'll have to see. Work in progress, like they all are, right? They all are. So anyway, I'm pretty glad to have found this one. It's a pretty cool looking fan. So there you go. Bern's Air King rolling fan on the stand. All right, so I figured we'd run it anyway, now that it's cleaned out. So here it is on high. I dropped a little oil in it. Don't expect that to do anything until it warms up. I think for the most part the oil really doesn't go directly to the bearing, it goes to the felt and then soaks into the bearing. I think that's how they ran. The grill is on the correct way. It's medium. Low. Quite a low on this one. Now if we run it longer, it might not run so slow. It probably has a speed coil up here that gives you the extra low speed, and so maybe as the coil itself warms up, maybe it'll speed up a little bit. I don't know. We saw that on the Vornado a little bit, that the speed changes a little bit. All the Lakewoods and the more modern fans have 3 speeds, no coil, no reducer, whatever, resistor, but this is different because it's so old. So anyway, there's low, back to medium. Take it a second to run up. The blades are so heavy, I think that's a part of it. The blades are massive. as high. There's a lot of air on high, and we're going to spin down. There's your spin down from high. All right, it looks better, cleaned up a little bit. Not a lot, but somewhat better. So that's a good thing, and we'll keep an eye on it. And then, you know, maybe over the winter or next spring, we'll think about getting it apart. Now that I have a 3-jaw puller, this will be hopefully easy to get the blades off. Not clear if this has ever been apart. The grill was on upside down. It's been certainly. Something's been done to it, and we're missing a grommet down here in the bottom for the cord, and the cord's a little ate up. So at this point, I think it'll need a cord for sure. But it looks pretty cool. The outside could use a little help, but otherwise it's a pretty cool fan, especially because you're thinking 1956, 1957. It's pretty old. So yeah, I like it. It's a pretty cool one. And we've definitely got an issue with it not sitting flat, as you can see. But nothing too much to worry about, and who cares, right? You can always put a bumper under there or something. So there you go. There's your Bern's Air King. Pretty neat dealy. Thanks for watching.